I stopped using cloud automation tools and built my own locally. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude Code to install and run N8N on your PC. Now I can connect apps, automate workflows, and build triggers without relying on external servers. Let's get started.
You're watching Atrail.
The first step will be for you to go over to Docker's website and download the version of Docker that is compatible with your system. I use a Windows system and I'll be installing this Windows version here. After installing, the next step will be to get your prompt from the Atrail website. Go over here, click on prompts, and scroll down to the Claude prompts for installing Docker on your system. Copy that and give it a like. For the third step, just paste in the prompt into Claude Code and it takes over your system to install anything locally. Once you're done accepting all its permissions, the next thing you're going to do is copy out the URL here, then paste it to your browser. And this helps you to open anything. Then you can now sign in to anything on your system locally and fill in all the details it asks you. You can even skip some of them, and yeah, that's all you need to do.